Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the cat's exact weight, so you select the correct Elanco dose. Dosing accuracy prevents under- or overdosing. Next, inspect the skin. If there are open wounds or severe irritation, pause and consult a vet because absorption changes. Once clear, part the fur at the base of the neck and apply the full tube directly to the skin between the shoulder blades. Make sure fur is dry and you do not touch the wet spot for several hours so treatment distributes. Once the product is on, allow it to absorb. You prevent oral ingestion by keeping the cat separated and monitoring for 6-8 hours, because licking can reduce efficacy and cause upset. Meanwhile, treat all cats in the household and address the environment. Vacuum floors, wash bedding, and consider insecticidal sprays for heavy infestations, since fleas in the home complete the life cycle off the pet. Make sure to schedule follow-up applications per the label, normally monthly, to break the flea life cycle and maintain. You finish by recording the application date and observing the cat for 24-48 hours so you can spot irritation, lethargy, vomiting, or excessive salivation. These signs warrant immediate contact with your veterinarian. If you see a localized reaction, gently wash the area with mild soap and water while keeping the cat calm, then call your clinic. If fleas persist after 2 properly timed monthly doses, reevaluate, ensure correct product. Confirm all animals were treated, and treat the environment, because survival of eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.